Thank you for watching Super Hero's restaurant. So yeah, my product for the new one to the frozen Japanese food. This is I made special curry, Japanese spice curry. Little bit spicy. So if you like your kids or don't like a spicy one, people maybe after the cook is you can add on the honey or maybe add on the cream. Those one make it mild. Yeah, it helps. Even ketchup is okay. Yes, this one too I recommend to the you can use the microwave is okay, but for the putting the whole boiling the water, put in there maybe I think 10 to 12 minutes. You can cook down and then put in on the plate the rice, and then this is a curry sauce, and then you can eat like a restaurant quality at your home. Thank you. Let's cooking. Okay, let's cooking. So make the boiling water. Put here is curry. Too big. If you want you have a big pan. Maybe big pan is better to fit in there for the curry sauce. Yeah. So I say maybe 10 to 12 minutes. Timer on is 12 minutes. I will try. Let's start cooking. Okay, so curry sauce down to the already defrost, and then I put the low heat. In the meantime, I put the rice on the plate. Okay, already done. It's very hot for the curry sauce. Let's sugar. Just this much. Careful, this is seriously very hot. So caution. I told you already this is very hot, so be careful. Don't spill out. So these are for 2 person to the inside. Little bit for the lots sauce. So I told you before cooking, if you like no spicy one, this is already pretty spicy. Yeah, so put the honey and then before pouring maybe put in the bowl and then sauce in there, and then for the kids maybe add the honey, or maybe if you want to cook the hot pan and then add it for the cream, and then you can get the make mild, or like a coconut milk also like texture taste like a Asian curry flavor. So still I pour in the 2 plate, but I still have more sauce. You can keep the fridge, or you can put maybe 1 more plate or additional 1 more time make the curry. Yeah, because I put here for 450 gram gram. Yes, about 1 pound. So kind of lots. Okay, and then I made with this one for the shooting. I made for the cuts. If you put for the shrimp, it's already cooked shrimp already. This is a shrimp curry. Then if you put for the pork katsu, it's a pork katsu. Even chicken katsu. Because I already for the shooting time too. Yeah, and then shrimp. You can buy for those product. Yeah, you can add on to from my homepage. This is a good. To the deluxe. You can make you build yourself, your family, each of you to the your son, your daughter, or your friend, your husband, your wife, and your girlfriend. Yeah, favorite you can make custom made Super Hero restaurant. Thank you for watching. Bye.